Patient was at a side impact collision. We're going straight to surgery. Okay, Vocera?
Vocera.
Urgent call to on-call trauma surgeon.
Dr. Patel, we have a 17-year-old female.
Hands-on nursing needs hands-free communication. Wherever the work of patient care is unpredictable,
We may need to adjust our approach based on what we see here.
change is constant, and teamwork is essential. And when you need to call a code, call for equipment, or call for help,
We need to call the on-call vascular surgeon.
Okay, Vocera.
Vocera.
Urgent call to on-call vascular surgeon.
you should always feel connected to the people you rely on.
Dr. Mills, we're gonna need your help.
Introducing the Sync Badge, inspired by nurses, designed for quick, reliable collaboration.
Broadcast to ED nursing.
I need lifting help in Bay 5.
This is Noah. I'm on my way.
And to enhance workflow efficiency. See and hear the priority level of incoming alarms and notifications. Quickly navigate and prioritize communications. Address the most important things first. In an emergency, reach help fast. Press the dedicated panic button to quickly open a communication channel with your facility's response or security team in a moment of threat. The Sync Badge. Hands-on nursing needs hands-free communication.